what's next for responsible innovation?
What's next? Good question. Basically, I'm talking now to you, that's already next. So in the sense that if more and more communities and entrepreneurs and governments learn about it, learn also from the mistakes that are made, and copy good practices, if there's an exchange, simply look at each other's websites, type in responsible research and innovation, and you will find a lot of information there. And so that's really you can build on the efforts of 10 years work now. So I would say everyone should know the word, and it should be a normal element of business parlance to talk about responsible research and innovation. And I think eventually society has to be critical on its companies, and companies have to open up to society. And let's say if society doesn't care, companies probably won't care. So some public awareness is a precondition, and I think there's still a lot to be gained there. The grand societal challenges will not go away. So there's still a very, very real reason to keep investing in innovation that will actually help us survive the future. Because the future does look bleak in some respects, and we will need all hands on deck to come up with creative and responsible solutions. Of course, a lot of this is also dependent on politics and economic crisis and all kind of unforeseeables. But essentially, and this is what I learned from the last 10 years, because at first I was afraid that it would only be a symptom of the financial crisis of 2008. Now I'm convinced it's here to stay. And it's here to stay because we are living in increasingly scientific and technological societies and cultures. And that will somehow force more dialogue between those technologies and science on the one hand and society on the other. And we all have to work on the quality of that dialogue.